Ever wonder how your AC keeps you cool? Let's break down the science behind indoor cooling.
It might seem like magic, but keeping a room cool is actually a precise thermodynamic process.
We often think air conditioners make cold air, but the reality is much more fascinating. Your AC isn't creating cold. It's actively pumping heat from inside your home to the outside.
To accomplish this, your system relies on 4 main components working in perfect harmony.
At the heart of it all is the refrigerant, a special fluid designed to absorb and release heat easily. The evaporator coil inside your unit absorbs heat from the warm indoor air, cooling it down in the process. The compressor then pressurizes the refrigerant, turning it into a hot gas so it can be moved outside. Next, the condenser coil releases that absorbed heat into the outdoor air, turning the gas back into liquid. Finally, the expansion valve cools the liquid refrigerant down, readying it to start the cycle all over again. This continuous loop of evaporation and condensation is what we call the refrigeration cycle. Inside, the liquid refrigerant turns to gas, effectively soaking up the heat from your living space. The compressor forces this heated gas toward the outdoor unit, concentrating the thermal energy. Outside, the fan blows air over the condenser, dumping that indoor heat into the atmosphere. The cooled liquid flows back inside, and the cycle continues as long as your thermostat demands it. So the next time you feel that cool breeze, remember, it's just physics moving heat out of your way.
Regular maintenance ensures these parts stay clean and efficient at this crucial heat exchange.
Understanding this cycle helps you use your system more efficiently. Thanks for watching.